Okay, these are a few ways that you can rig up the gilly. This is the 90mm, which is basically right around 3.5 inches. Now, one way you could do it is you can take one of these hitchhikers and you can screw that down into the face, right on the mouth. And you want to run that thing all the way down until you get just barely sticking out. Really run that guy in there. Just barely sticking through. Like that. And then I don't have a Nico hook style. I like that kind, but what you would want to do with that is then you could run this through here, which is going to go through the inside of that hitchhiker as well. So you can do it sideways like this, or if you could turn it the other way and nose hook it. That'll give it a little bit more support, makes it a lot stronger, so you're not losing as many gillies per catch. You could drop shot it like this, or if you turn it, back this out a little bit, you can do it this way, straight through the chin. Comes out of space like that. You can also do it that way. These are both good for drop shot, or if you want to do, let me take this back out of here. Thank you, sir. You're just using a regular jig. I mean, this is a shroom head from Bass Pro, but I don't have a regular jig head on me. The tops of these are hollow up here, so you could run these literally through so that it's inside like that. Just line up his mouth again, straight in, curve it, trying to keep it as straight as possible. And you'll see the hook is popping through there, and give it a push. And there he is. What I forgot to mention here is you also want to put a nail weight at about the same angle that the arrow is pointing, right behind that gill. By doing this, it will keep the tail up and the head down like it's feeding on the ground. It's like that, and then you have your hook here, so it's kind of weedless. The other way you can do it is also your traditional Texas rig style, through the side. You would just do what you normally do. You go straight in, about a quarter, turn it, bring the hook around, spin the bait so that it goes up on the side of the eye. This is not exactly the right size hook for this either. This EWG is a little bit off, but it's all I have right now. Have to work with it here. Straight through. Then they have these marks on the side. You can run it across the bottom side here or across the top there. Oh, it slipped a little bit. Ouch. I messed up, but yep. There we go. So it's going to go through a little further back. Like that. There you go. Sorry about that, guys. And there you have, oh, I put it through as a little, whatever. And there's your weedless. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Feel free to like and smash that subscribe button.